So here, it already made an internal link. I didn't do this. It actually linked to how you can make your six-pack at home. I made another article. So this one, it found it on my website and is now linking to that. This is amazing. And then you have your key takeaways, and we have some more text. See, you don't want to make this very, very long because nobody can go through all that. So minimum, you need to have a very easy readability. And then you have your fact in the bottom here. And then you have your frequently asked questions in the bottom. And then we come down to the title and your meta title and your meta text. For example, here it says that my title is too long. Is 7 letters too long? So if I go up here and look at the title, what can I change? Tips and strategies for achieving defined apps. I could say tips and strategies for achieving apps. So let's just say what happens when we go below that 60. See, the zero score already changed to 89. So it means this title and this text is already better for Google. It likes it better. And here we could just copy this and we can insert the meta description. It's also better for Google. And here the score goes up a little bit more again. Here in the bottom, there's some a plugin I'm using. It's called Link Whisper. It can help you make internal links later on. We already have some internal links. But what we don't have is we don't have some pictures. In the bottom, I just put in some links to the latest post. I like that. When the reader is finished, he can see, okay, what else is there? And he can jump to that one. Also like to have a picture up here. How to get a six-pack, tips and strategies for achieving apps. So I'm using WordPress, and it also have an AI generator inside here. And I can say I want the personal pictures, and I can find stock photos over here, and we can look at Unsplash. It's free. So what can we say? We can say fitness. Okay, there are some pictures here. There's actually one here. She's doing some crunches here. That's perfect for my article. Okay, super. See, the score is slowly going up. The better the article is becoming. So that is perfect. We want a high score as possible because it's going to help us rank in the search result. If another blog writes something similar and they have a zero score, maybe 70, then all the total score will be put together and rank your article higher. Okay, so let's take this picture here and use that as our article font picture. And here you can put your alt text. You can say six-pack exercise. And you can also put that on your picture text and also here on the image. And when you do this, Google, it loves when you have alt text on your pictures because it also shows up in the search result on the pictures itself. And if you go down to the title here on the picture, then use this lower score. That means your picture will rank for six-pack. It will rank for six-pack and exercise. If you only make a dash, then Google will see the whole word, six-pack exercise. And only if people enter that in the Google, six-pack exercise. So it will show up more when you have the underscore because both words are active. Okay, that's it, and you put it in. So let's try and save this. And then we're going to look at the blog post. So here we have the top picture, and we also put it in down here. But this is good to put it up here also, because when you go here, we have all the articles. It will show up a little snippet here, and then you could go in. And you see here we have this internal links. They all go to other articles on my website. And we have some more text about to get that six-pack. Put in some pictures, so it's easier to go through, or it's just become a text. The text is not only for Google, it should be for the reader. So if you focus on the reader, Google will rank you higher. And here we have the links in the bottom to other articles. Okay. And just to sum it up, and let's go down here. I'll show you that link whisper tool to make internal links. Come down here, link whisper. I go down, edit, add outbound links. I go down to the bottom. Here it says no suggested link for this post. So that was a bad example for now. Let's try this one. Let's see. Yes, here you have one here. This tool, it says, suggested that you could link this word to this article on my own website. And it's very easy to do this. You just click on this one, says the link is copied successful, and then you scroll to the text. Boom, it's highlighted. Enter. Here, and you copy paste. And you say, boom, the link is now active. Boom. And here we made the internal link. It links to another website. So, no, it doesn't link to another website, it links to another article on my website. When you do this internal links, make the links relative to the subject. Here you have something about fitness and crunches, six-pack and making crunches, and then you link the article to football. That's not good. So you don't want to have that one. But it should be something that is related. And after making that link, you can just update, and you can see there's a link in, and there's 6 links out here. You can actually see which one they're linking to. So now we made the article, and this will slowly be indexed by Google when it comes to this site. Try and make 1 article per day, then your content will be indexed very fast.